Lesson 15. Pentagram, a symbol with global roots. The five-pointed star with 5 lines is known today as the pentagram. It is an ancient symbol that has held different meanings. Today, we can see the pentagram worn as jewelry or as designs on clothing. The Sumerians were the first to use the pentagram. They wrote about the symbol in records that date back to 3000 BC. In the context of that civilization, the pentagram was a character in a writing system. It stood for a word that had a handful of meanings, including corner and room. The Babylonians, a culture with close historical links to Sumer, used the pentagram in reference to the planets. The pentagram's 5 points indicated 5 planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. In ancient China, the pentagram corresponded to wuxing, the 5 elements that make up the world: metal, wood, fire, earth, and water. In ancient Chinese thought, these elements are always changing. They have different relationships and effects on one another. Fire, for example, can melt metal. Water can put out fire. When the elements are drawn in their traditional arrangement and the relationships between each are marked down, the shape that results is a pentagram. In European folklore, the pentagram had magical properties. The orientation of the star affected its significance. With 1 point facing upward, the pentagram represented white magic, good. In reverse, with 2 points facing upward, the same symbol stood for black magic, evil. Today, the pentagram is more closely associated with music subcultures than with any of its ancient meanings. Some rock fans seem to like the pentagram's European link to evil. It is fine to wear a pentagram as a fashion statement, but it is good to know the history of the symbol.